omunyira omo campaign say yemfa Kennedy and emra emegina MPP amanyoko nanim wabisa ho sa asem no da e wo se misa ho na de wo munyira ne Lawrence Ampao lawyer Lawrence Ampao ene abekirekire nsem bi mu so se eni kwan so man ye honwa se NDC fo omunyina se yemfa Kennedy emra na o se de wo munyina ne se NDC nim se Dr. Bawumia entro no omudigu ni so 2024 no amuntumi ni engu ni so biem in 2023 in 2028 because entro edine preko untumi ni ntro e won ntro so e mane nyeye enam sa so nti NDC fo hu se da bi e form aho amawo in 2028 enti de ompese omunye nyina ne se omomodren na omomfa Kennedy Agyapong enhye MPP for kon na se yede ne ba omoa awe ne nam te se sabio pano na according to him say the enti amahama asha afa kwam bi so ama amanfo NDC for kangu amanfo tim se yemfa Kennedy Agyapong mera ni nyina ne se sabio John Mahama the oba yo nyina eye the obeyo a we masika aba ne bottom and secondary why na adwene say opese ontumi protect ni wia no even after his mandate because onono Mahama no he nyina nim say after 4 years ontumi stand DBM enti anam sa asunto Mahama pese ompe kwan bi so a MPP for the candidate bi ba candidate be so easy obey cheap meat e dey am MPP said the beya and this no oba be digana man so no ebetumi apo sabio niwia Ibrahim Mahama na hoban amani businesses ene sabio Ghana japade ebinuma odene nsa toto so otumi akoso a handle sa ajapade we na Mahama busua no aguso a aye asikafo enti we ena sabio lawyer Morris Ampao edin chechire mu aba what actually and this for person omomprane emfama MPP na selebe mbetimi abo omo homode na omo ahu kwan ombefa so ombedi nkunim 2028 because NDC for ahu say Dr. Bawumia eye nipa bi ene sa odene ba amansandwa no so say yento no man medical na man so a people will vote massively for him because of the oyo ye abera obeye vice president no enameno sunti amasese Ghana fo ewo gidie ewo nimu se wode ne ba ombeto aba ama no enti wei ene ha John Mahama any NDC fo a omaye omadwene say they want to impose Kennedy Agyapong on the neck of the MPP even though Kennedy Agyapong Kwabena Agyapong any ewura ye adutwim de omunyina they are aware say they cannot win this primaries. But I say, Wasibra Champo de Podi or warm up. Hello, the sample Tibetro. Wasibra Champo or no, ye warm up keke. Or say Ken on so himself, I don't want to lose you. Internet or best say, Yamfa Yakoma, Yanka Yakoma to a yam. Na a more be new piatem, na yamma. Campaign no enko very gentle. Say the be ya to abani wi a ebetumi asan ahwe yanim ti say wiafo ne adofo na yasere ne aka ho abom ne aye adwuma ebetumi de yewura Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia aba abedi oman no so ti say president of the republic. Yenko tie ensem a Lawrence Ampao edigu ho anopai. Emu eduru pa osi Ibrahim Mahama ne Sami Jamfi omo hwe omo ho yie pa. Now, after 2028, some people when they will also smell pepper. Yan couldn't go tell the sample. Yaba, not yatwaso.
The point is, okay. And that can be Taylor to me. Can the point ya drink na also opportuno. And then also been pa on pet MPP asemo wako join the NDC. Oshem komomu na ena ono na ope ono catch MPP delegates e muko tuma Agyapong and now who watch here NDC for no bomb pie say Ken and now Brian and now Mama Kenyano Emra because someone will say omono easy to handle them. Until the moment Oba say opponent to near openo. Na so who say a trap. How can Kevin Taylor? At the day we did Ken. No one swear Ken to say on making president da. Na Kevin Taylor na die. Or say na Ken cry yet. Kelly, the delegates no. Who say the moment I almost and it is that they've seen something in Bawumia which they are afraid of.
Okay.
And now they are supporting other aspirants, no? So that we will be free Bawumia. But me, no, I see the aspirants say they are aspiring partners. They are helping Bawumia to fortify himself. And Bawumia also the Nyamia Dumiti Wafa. And then come she be anywhere be Jubetiano.
Okay.
Now I can tell you before God the man say MPP package Bawumia ye. The no a internal contest.
Yeah.
Yim pro be it will be a kind of come to him. Can the Japan air boy party no or the Sampanenam Brime, the Sampanenam, Ubia, the Sampanenam, and the only deal no by 31st January no be able to smoothness level.
No, okay.
Yam Pai Bonnie say, Mo be an agent say, Bawumia, we we are Staputat Bibeba, and now Matimo because what thing one emfa.
Okay.
There is nobody watching with the party who was succeeding. It will never happen. I'm not worried. I'm not disturbed. Let them be sparring partners. Let them spar. And they're sparring partners. So I see Agyapong say, or your potential, but anytime in so yeah. Brad champion the or your warm up. That's the thing. Who want to find catch me lawyer or your warm up. There be or your warm up. In fact, we didn't be party because omo mesika omo ma party no so mesika. Thank God no so case was back. Janet we bre mu me bi edi. What they say you know brand what you know me no I see them say they are good sparring partners. Almost part to Bawumia but omo nim very well. Brand nim.
Lawyer Mpacho yen hwe ni say Ghana fo no bi susu say said ya wo kano fa baby no ewo musa but ye hwe back to 2024 time na Dr. Bawumia ene Kennedy na campaign mu no nsem bi piepie nsem bi sisi na free Kennedy aso ye ebaaye against Dr. Bawumia eno ma NDC fo nyina so gina so di ye campaign it is amanfo so say we ye internal elections na ye ko enti se say na amanfo bebre no assurance no eputu bremom Bawumia enti se me yamfa say yato aba 31st January 2026 na Dr. Bawumia enya enti se ansam na omo kan ye no NDC fo ansam fa me ye campaign for MPP
minua tie me ye Ghana fo nia Agyapong kan kire Bawumia 2024 ene dia amanfo kan no na can you see you cannot do what we call double attack.
Okay.
Urefi. The Benian can't against Nanado.
Okay.
2012. The show she we want to be a president.
Yeah.
Nema ye cafe Nanado nia 2012 no. Nia who Nanado who ye no. 2016 was anfa. Anfa. Eti bibi omo kan fa Bawumia ho if about the economy. Omo nim very well say economy now for that was the one who handled it. And then Bawumia was handled it. To the sense say call for free ahead. And this following him. Omudi propaganda 2024 FIR is because not too little not Russia-Ukraine war and other factors contribute to here. And then when we say Bawumia was not the cause. And then Bawumia gold policies and money or there being any other things about digitization. And now we could raise the issue. And then I go from and then mama what buying a was no. What is happening in the economy? It's above we say na Bawumia because who see Bawumia and to me handle economy but also buy no. Don't let come from crano a creative problem mama em from I want to let so ho economy nity ase and let me can say I'm from first come back And then make us say it's careful be wow. Oma decided not to invest in the country because if you have a country, a government that's come to power, they are targeting rich people like opponents. And then uye MPP ni and now we will be our MPP NDC ni now we sika and now you are so be juma say hey now we friend say they are unexplained wealth. Yes, uye sika no yes, and the moment obey no they couldn't suffer because sika for no invest it. And then a lot of people somebody skaba support to Ghana economy no but this foreign remittance are cut down because do not transfer say now you tiane ye chichi to me mo ye gun to me juma na me ya ndis MPP na me person me de juma ba it's all about no be gunu enti foreign my money am not all foreign direct investment they will not come because they see say the government is targeting businesses. How can you tell me say Chama want to be business it has come at the serious attack. Seizing of property, you go to Juma, who they share the radio station crap with person close no. Now yes Anna say MPP ni be wo ho. Now a bushel of person obviously saying my buy any power. It is kind of the NDC is causing the collapse of our economy because of one who victimizing opponent businesses. Okay. Kufo anyesa o Kufo buy no or declare golden age of business. Kufo didn't attack anybody. Atamis buy no Atamis attacking anybody. Nanado buy no one attacking Nanado buy no oma Ibrahim Mama Ejuma Koso. Nanado 8 years now better no or support two adjustments. Yes. Ibrahim Mama was flourishing. He made more money. Nakazaka or see time I mean yes MPP time. Now say if MPP one NDC 4 Juma Koso. Now the over power. Now from oral. Oral is to attack your opponent businesses. Arrest them. And then we can say Obi attorney to say Obi betched Kwan Fa Sonia Nisika. Now when you have this mentality, this abide with this agenda, me na me go be Juma. Now my friend say, how did you? And whereby you are an opponent. You know, the economy, people have got to know. I'm first starting who say, Mama, economy no more say, and you know, but my time look is better. Because yes, because people are not investing. And 24-hour economy now to show me. A Juma na come can say MPP and create Juma no and to be creating Juma. And then another the way I Otia work as it's not happening. And people are now beginning to see the reality. First year economy na GSM. And now third you know people will get to know in 2028 say it was not Baumia. NPP NDC use propaganda and intro and a software omono muyefunti omukoshe kombonia tise boka mkomu odi asa ebi mu da mamaka enti wufu say the floating voter and then the MPP now one koto aba no say ohun say we azana what the enti no before God the man no whatever is being said about Baumia now will not wash. Okay. Because to you Baumia track record no none of the other aspirants will be. Okay. Obi anyone Obi. Odi asenti no media me hu say enye MPP de be win abano. No opposition has ever won elections that. Elections is the ruling government that loses election. About to October enye mama na mu win you. Ye dey lose you. Was the end do no MPP for do run and koto aba. Until come 2024 no ba me 41% no owo no. Me say aka 9 pe. Na 9 pe no obey easily because and then no finances for what is going through parents in terms of how much they suffered to take their children no always say they will punish this government 2028 for it. Number 2 and then this is ni teachers are ya da do mo a ya inform. Oh, they say, say and then we are talking about the kind of achichichiri when ya ni achewo the kind of impunity judges are ni judges are often say ye tokonu alone let me tell you tokonu removal alone unim ni pa omodo tokonu wa in silent tokonu the fear ne busua ne man so won afofo na ne krom ne tribe o dey say and obi oye jeja onu tokonu ye ne role model do you know how many judges are tokonu role model tokonu classmates tokonu course they are all going to be anti mama.
Okay.
And you know, government of the day no o ko abatwo second term you lose votes because una huye say as we speak say come the obi of board ba womedi hu and now you can say gain some no you to fashion nanado mo na mo ba it is say no obi a oto aba because of gay say nanado answer no and no ka Philadelphia at the Shima Konkron mu tie me adum tie me una mama ba wa sorry be kan say and oba be sign gay me boa ma call adum tie Philadelphia sorry look at the number oko dim trust oba be sign on sign witchcraft so on sign to say adum tie Philadelphia mama omo fo mo adwen Ghana fo no mu omo hu say mama hated gay na obi sign no if one sign I do not know how many people will vote because of gay issue in 2028 uba no po apart from that no MPP for na say yeah hu because yan ko to aba no say na NDC for no enye so mu twa boy keke wo kebitel asre yen ozo empa say me na me si hene yes na ke ozo empa be je na me na me si hene nti no hu say mu MPP for no ono de oba kan mefa number 2 na when I say and the amount for film often say they will just forget. So NDC will lose 2020 because of 4 things. 1, there will be change of baton. And a mama no ono obeko odiako
yeah.
Until you watch it mama amomu no bibi this kebe man tem na mama na yen tem. Until mama gold aben until go board a certain tem.
Yeah.
And then Ibrahim Mama take over our gold. What Azuma. What take over. Yeni kano yeni mo ahwe yanso be follow. It will be a sika mama within 4 years no. Or yen won tem. And the issues like and now VHS and now do this what two bomb. What did the parents up them or say hey my friend move VHS away no VHS for no parents now move say mo man say mo man automatic admission no and secondary school to say beauty contest and na be saloon ube dumping so many things until me no I see NDC mama in a hurry to make money and to live with the appointees. Now appointees also they will not reinvest in their campaign because every appointee be a mama fine the be and say mama according to the call. I'm telling you for the man. I said to Ketiano sorry because I said to Ketiano also no yami muna. And you say camp na yami na said to Ketia omo camp no omo no na omo so mo person mo back. Oda intina o watch ya omo sorry tia yami for for instance galamsey no won say yami tie age any mama no so omo come on no because I said to Ketia ni small boy ni yami.
Okay.
And mama so per se o protect Ibrahim mama the businesses have to leave office no it also up Julius Debra
yeah
and afantefono so epe mama Jane odi ase enti agrone form
ya to force in class
and mama himself 4 years no the yem hihye no after 4 years who can protect the legacy of Ibrahim mama because wakache say Nanado was corrupt because achim mafias no omo na omo pesika no and ono mama amomo Nanado no ntumi fa ne sa ko buska de skemu but wo ma de busuafo pesika no no mo de ntro ejapade ebetubom ama Ghana for toye ene ayaka say Ibrahim amuso apesika o pesika atoa mama say mama fi so a but mama no fi so person control party no and everybody want to protect the because say Ibrahim mama within 4 years aban we sisa so be hye this time Ibrahim ye njajao yamudi ye want to me any MPP for yi minia exam je fi mu on so be hye because more allegation in the two muswa, we don't need evidence. We will not need evidence. And when they say report, report. But the question is that I know, say Mama is going to struggle to protect the legacy of the brother. But if you can destroy the legacy, but me I blame Santifo mo. Santifo, okay. Musu no mo binary. You don't protect your own. Want to be a clear see what when ska ambassador for the bebre bufui
obi kura timi ka se ontumi nya nsika ono nko ani di
you just say mo bufu want to me ene abada dey say want to be close no nsika ono ko bobo busia but Ibrahim nya sika dia asante for my din na president mo nam Ibrahim nya sika dia asante for mo ya okay Ibrahim nya sika dia okay afa mo was atini president mo nam no mo ye bala mama baba you see so mo asante for mo problem ni e bo do ahowo too much say mo pesa ahowo mo ye yie
esene
say mo nipa tene ebufu shiwe ba ya and I want to be said or your kingdom refi have to come in and fight for want to me
yes me kai pa
they will be fu eto bi na abo be bu to be come so mabo me but chene capital ayamo ni de mo twa mo koto aba mo asante for mo di mama ti no capital was insulting or two for but they were not angry but they were not angry want to be tell baby kingdom keke and then issue my the problem I'm saying is that say Abraham Mama is being protected. Abraham Mama was protected during the time MPP was so.
Okay.
Now if you be born a Juma who buy no DE no. And that time I to me na MPP for be no. In government mu yi omu maye. And then want to be in the issue and not my force na certificately be sorry.
Yeah.
I person the money about esre. But you see life if you don't cherish your own want to be nesika or the asante yi o see that was anti-mine or in plus anti-for
ejuma was anti-mine mo
na mo de muti ho ye nuanu mu fi north eye the north, let's protect them.
Yes,
they love them.
Yes,
they guide against them. One will not be away scar no sorry Canada. Na me achimni na me be kwapimni na say they want me do asante na me who say that is the problem of Asantis. They say Asante for ya kwao more resources no other tribes that take over na momumu na kutukutu when I say Asante person kutukutu other tribe because of no kofi you shime dimini because minim how Asantis are resourced over for gold or take a crab on one kutukutu usu bempa obi so usu bempa wa mi kana sem we Asante no fi dwa now unam na ko mama ho akodi laba say mama ye wuyi
yes abusiafo nti se utie ensema yewura Lawrence Ampaw edi atudwa ya na ese andisifo de omo hwehwe nyina ene senka MPP for de kan Agyapong beba na nkomonya ne cheap meat na omo awe ne papa na yetumi de abo John Mahama ni wia Ibrahim Mahama ni businesses ho ama eho ban na utie nsem so Lord Sampa Wekana, there is nobody in Ghana now or more famous than Yura Dr. Bawumia in terms of politics. Ewo Ghana maimu. Eti abusia, me de ubesia ni asenshi actually. Enche me the video fufuro ba betuma eye about LGBTQ plus Sam George washa asia wodwane. Me de ncha kese ma maso de ntwi na ya mi yokosia Samoa. Yeah. Frank Kankam modie da bia mo ba atamudie saa. Yes, answer na etrans wo wiase o. Etu ba bia che wadwen so na entie de wo so woka. Abusia mfo me da mo nyina se, e besen hye nche within shorter possible time. Makramo.